Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. The Australian dollar has staged a significant move away from that bottom side of the range, which was around 69.8090, and from the upside move is now contesting the next level of 70.95. It is anticipated that a break here could see further guidance towards the top side around 71.5060 area. All eyes look to the RBA rate decision later today at 2:30 Sydney time, and may actually see which is focused as a forecast of a rise in interest rates of 15 basis points from 0.1 to 0.25. But keep an eye on the actual statement. That's the key point, because if the RBA do indicate more of a hawkish statement, then we could see further gains to the Australian dollar and even maybe reach the region of 72 cents. I have reason to believe that the market from a technical point was extremely oversold and was due for a correction, and that's probably what we're just about starting to see now. The euro still hovers around the 104.8595 as the US dollar, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of six major currencies, continues to consolidate around 103.50. I do feel, though, that if the market can rebound, and given by the RSI is in a better position than it was earlier in the week, that we could see a rise back up towards the 106 area and reassess from there. But that being said, a break of 104.85 would give further indication towards the downside and look to a measured move of 103.4060 area. Still waiting for this break on the downside for dollar yen, as it shows bearish divergence and also from a technical point is in support of seeing a move down. The level is at 129.60, and if we see a break there, would give further indication down towards 127 and reassess from there. A little bit weaker to the price action over the last 12 hours for sterling, however, still respecting the level of 123.8090. In light of this pattern here, I'm not bearish. I feel the market's going to stage possibly a rise up towards the 126 area and reassess from there. Also looking to this week, the Super Thursday does expect to see the Bank of England lift rates by 25 basis points to 1%. That would give a little bit of a move to the upside for sterling, but it's about the statement as well. If we do see that possible hawkish tone in the statement, then we might see a little bit more stronger price action for the sterling. With the New Zealand dollar rallying, the market has actually stayed a bit of a weaker play for sterling Kiwi. I do feel the market did overextend itself from the break of 194, and from there I feel the market could easily tumble back quite heavily to 191, given the fact is that the technicals are somewhat heavier than previously seen. Since the break of 1,878, the downside target still remains a threat, and that is at 1,848.252. If we do see a break there, that would give further weakness to a potential target of 1,820 to 26. And wrapping up with oil, well, the market isn't as bullish as we saw overnight. I do feel from a technical point it still remains a little bit heavy, and I'm viewing a move expected from away that from 106 and looking down towards that 97, 98 region. Well, that's a wrap for today. Thank you very much for joining me. As always, look out for the intraday report. Hope you enjoy the rest of the day.